I turned 45 this year. My husband threw a party, my best friend gave me wrinkle cream, and my doctor, she gave me a poop test. It's called a FIT test, a Fecal Immunochemical Test, an easy at-home screening for colorectal cancer. Honestly, I always thought I'd need a colonoscopy. That's what you heard, right? But during my checkup, my primary care provider explained that because I'm low risk, no family history, no personal history of colorectal cancer or polyps, I could start with a FIT test instead. As a mom, staying healthy matters, not just for me, but for my kids too. The FIT test was quick, simple, and didn't take time away from life. There are different ways to get screened. This one was right for me, and a great way to start the conversation with my doctor. And honestly, I was relieved. No prep, no sedation, no rearranging my schedule, just a small kit with clear instructions, a few minutes of my time, and a drop-off at the clinic or the mailbox. That's it. You can return them by mail or drop them off at any clinic in the system. At first, I wasn't sure how something so simple could make a difference, but here's what I learned. Colorectal cancer is one of the most common cancers in the US. It often shows no symptoms until it's advanced, but if you catch it early, it's very treatable. These tests are designed to help people like me, ages 45 and older, at average risk, detect signs of cancer early. That includes people with no symptoms and no previous diagnosis. The key is catching it before it becomes serious. At University of Utah Health, it's easy. These at-home kits are covered by most insurances and are available to existing patients. So if you're not sure where to start, talk to your primary care provider. They'll walk you through your options and help you decide what's best for you. I want to stay healthy. I want to be here for my family, my future. And honestly, I liked how easy this was. So no, it's not the most glamorous milestone gift, but peace of mind? Totally worth it. And let's be real, it's just a poop test. For more information, visit our website or call 801-213-9500 to schedule an appointment with a primary care provider.